All right there. Hello from Hong Kong. Right here I am holding my first entry for the documentation of what I call the Fun Fan. I was going to do it on the Pulse build, but the parts are not coming on time, so I won't make the deadline of the 22nd. But these are the neodymium magnets that I'm going to be using for what I call the Fun Fan. Now I've got 7, 14, 21, 28, 29, 30. So I got 30, and these are strong little suckers. And excuse me, but I'm very, very hungover today. So again, it's Saturday, the 7th of September, and I can't get these things apart. But anyway, they're half inch by half inch, 12.7 mm by 12.7 mm by 25 mm. These are from one factory, and I paid about $1.43, that's including shipping, to Hong Kong for these. They're N52 grade, and they're really strong little suckers. And so, I can't get them. But anyway, they're magnetized. This is north, this is south, or vice versa. But anyway, they're really strong. I don't know how well they're going to work on the rotor, but the coils that I'm going to be making are, as these are half inch by half inch, the core of the coil is going to be square as well, and that's going to be 1 inch by 1 inch by 5 inches long. I can cut them down depending on the wraps, etc. So, but these are the magnets. And, oops, that was pretty quick. So I've got another set coming, another 30 that are coming, and I'm just going to see how they go. But now, again, on the rotor that I'm making, it's on the 3D printer on my other boat, because I'm recording this on a new wooden boat that I picked up pretty cheap. So I'm going to be doing everything here. I'm kind of using this boat as I do my repairs and fix it up because I want to sell it, try to make a profit. But I'm going to do everything. This whole Pulse motor build is on this boat. So, and as you can see, on a boat, have alcohol, will travel. Plus you got to have... Anybody want to see what a Hong Kong $100 bill looks like? That's a $100 Hong Kong bill. That's about, I don't know, about $10 US. But anyway, so as you can see, a boat you should never own, that's one right there. It just came in today. That's a wooden boat that's about to sink as far as I'm concerned. But anyway, so we'll kind of give you a little tour. I'm using these glasses I sent off to Russ. I sent 2 of these off to Russ. I picked up a total of 4. And this is my first recording using them. And so I'm documenting everything. I've got other parts that I have on my other boat, but this is the first documentation of this. So on the new boat, let's test out these new glasses. Here's the new power panel that I built this last week. What I've got is, here's my shore power side, this is my generator side, so I can switch between the two. So if I'm at the mooring, I'm on shore power. If I'm out to sea, I'm on the generator. So I can have my liquid crystal display will tell me my amps and my volts. And that either or, here's this part is just for the gen set, tells me the hours that it's run, the condition of my start battery, my preheat, my start and my stop of my gen set. Everything is diesel on a boat. But I picked up these little units. They're 32 amps, and I can tell my kilowatt hour use on my main AC power circuits. I'm just testing out my new label maker, but I don't like the small print. I'm going to go with this large print. But this is the main AC panel, and this is my AC inverter panel. And because AC inverters, they fail sometimes, and because salt water, etc. So what I've got, so when I'm on the inverter, and this powers like my computers, my TVs, the basic ACs that I want to run from a 1,200 amp hour battery bank. I have that. This is going to tell me this is a control for the inverter. It tells me what the house bank is. So what I'm pulling from that, etc., what I have for it, and then what the AC output is, what I'm pulling on the inverter. So I've got that all. So I've got my lights, so every time you turn it on, I've got the RCD, or in the USA you call it a ground fault. So anyway, but it's all 230 volt, 50 hertz. I've picked up a few items. I've got an old inductive cooktop from another boat. There's got to be some parts in there that I can grab for it. This, I just went over on my mate's boat, and I replaced this. It still works as a 12 volt. It's a 110 and 230 or 220 charger I got. I can charge 2 banks, but if it doesn't work, I can go and take the wires out of that. I've got another charger I took apart. Got an old coil. There's another DC stator and stuff like that. I got some more wire. But anyway, so that's what I'm doing. But on this AC part, I can kind of take you down into the lazarette, since we're testing the recording of this. Take you down into the lazarette, and even though it's upside down, I can show you. This is my 4,000 watt inverter that I'm going to use to power it. So that's what I'm going to be using for that. So, but again, lazarette, lots of storage. Here's my dehumidifier on a boat. Got to have a dehumidifier. So that's that. Let's kind of go out. A grand tour of, so there's not a lot to look at. But there's the Rafiki, another teak boat, 100% teak. That boat over there is called Slanty, and Irish Dave will definitely know what that means. So, well, that's the marina. Welcome to that. But I just moved in some old furniture. We had a party here, housewarming last night. I haven't even hooked up the washing machine. That's going to go down the lazarette as well. But I need a battery. But there's my dinghy. Hey, stop looking at my dinghy. Have some courtesy. Stop looking at Alan's dinghy. So, but anyway, Technic. So anyway, that's what's happening. I still have to, on these glasses that I'm recording this on, I still have to set the date and time. So if it says it's from like 2011 or something like that, it's because I have to reset it. But here's the magnets. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. I will talk to you sometime soon. And I think I need to start drinking beer because this hangover is just killing me. All right. Bye-bye from Hong Kong.